Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect a speaker to LG UltraGear Monitor, AUX, optical, USB audio and setup. So, the method 1 you can using the 3.5 mm audio cable. Look at the back of your LG UltraGear Monitor and find the headphone or audio output. Plug one end of the 3.5 mm audio cable into the monitor. Then plug the other end into your speaker and AUX or audio in. Then turn on the monitor and the speaker. Then increase the volume from the monitor setting and your speaker. And once your PC, right click the sound icon and then you can select your monitor as the output device. The method 2 you can using a HDMI if speakers are connected to PC. Connect your PC to the monitor using the HDMI cable. Connect speakers directly to your PC, not the monitor. Right click the sound icon on your PC and select the correct speaker output as a default. Goodbye.